Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me once again on this week's CVS haul. I hope you all checked out the video I put up last night on how to coupon at CVS. I explained the steps on couponing. That way when you go couponing, it will not be that difficult for you. And this week's haul is for the week of July 11 to July 17. All these products you see up here came up to $147.92, but I used after the coupons came off, I used $46.13 on ECBs, and I got back $39 in extra care box, and I'll also be getting back a $3 and a $9 from Ibotta, making it $4.89 money maker. So I hope you have the same coupons, or you have something close, or even something better, so you can have as much fun as I have getting all this stuff for free. With that being said, let's get into this haul. My first transaction is on the free popcorn everybody was supposed to get this week. Check your CVS app and send it to card. And also last week Thursday, I received the buy one get one free snacks up to $5, and I think everybody got that same CRT. So make sure when you do this deal, you're doing them separate, because the free one will affect the buy one get one free. So the popcorn, you just pick it up for $2.99 and you pay nothing. And for the Kit Kats, this week is buy one get one free, and we have the buy one get one free coupon. If you check the video I put up last night, I explained how the buy one get one free works. So with the CRT I have and the store sale for buy one get one free, I was able to grab the bags for free. So let's go close to my receipt so you can see the CRT attached, and I paid nothing, and I didn't even pay tax for it. And the popcorn too, the same thing. That's what everybody was supposed to have. So if you've not used your CRT from last week, you can use it on this deal, or you can pick up any snacks you want. With that, let's go to the next one. Before we go to the next transaction, I would like to explain something too. I don't have my Save Insert yet, because we received that in the mail where I live. It comes in on Wednesday. This week I received 2 CRTs, only one printed. The $2 off any Tresemme hair care, and I have another $3 CRT. It's on my card. It didn't print out when I made my purchases. So I will be picking up the 2 for $10. I will use the inside coupon 5 off of 2, and I will also use this $2 CRT and the $3 CRT that is still on my card, and I will not pay anything, but I'll get $2 back. I'm trying to explain in case you have it today and you want to go do your deal before I go back, because I don't think I'll be posting that video. I don't want to post just one video of one item. Okay, let's go to the next deal. My next transaction is on the Hallmark Items. I have a 3 off of 2 from last week, and I received another 3 off of 2. So what I did was save the last week and this week's, because I'm getting tired of getting the paper bags. So I wanted to put it together, that way I can get something more meaningful. So what I did was pick up 4. The tissues were $1.99 each. I have to go past $6 to be able to use both CRTs. So that's why I added the paper bag for 49 cents. I paid only 46 cents plus tax, and I got the whole 4 items. So that's 4 items for 46 cents. Let me go close so you can see the receipt and see how that works. You see that? You can see each one is $1.99, and the paper bag is 49 cents each. So I've used the 3 off of 2 Hallmark from last week and 1 3 off of 2 Hallmark from this week, and I only paid 46 cents plus tax. And every the 4 items is 46 divided by 4. So I think that's a good deal, instead of getting just the paper bag, because you can also do the paper bags and get them for free, but you have to make sure that everything comes up to $6, so that way the CRT can work. So let's go to the next transaction. On my next transaction, I did the toothpaste and the toothbrush deal. This week is the toothpaste is $3.99, buy 3 get $5 back. So I picked up 3, and the toothbrush or mouthwash is buy 2 get $5 back. So what I did was pick up 3 toothpaste for $3.99 each, and the toothbrushes I picked up 2 for $5.19 each. I didn't get any mouthwash because my store ran out. So what happened, what I used for the toothpaste was $2 paper coupon from the P&G insert, and on the app, check your app, you will find a $2 also for the toothpaste. I use that, and I have the 5 off of 20. That's why I combined both. And for the toothbrush, I only have a $2 app coupon. I use that, and I use $8.35 extra bucks, and I paid $1 before tax, and I got back $11. So making all these 5 items $9.35. So everything came up to $1.65 for 5 items. I got back a $6 extra box for the toothbrush. I don't know why that happened, because on the app it says buy 2 get $5 back. So I don't know why it printed out $6, but I'm okay with that. That's even more savings because this deal became a money maker of $1.65. So check it out too. Make sure you clip all your coupons before you go check out. So let's go to the next deal. On my next transaction, I did spend $30 get $10 back. I picked up 3 Neutrogena products and 2 laundry care. I picked up the Rapid Clear Foaming Scrub for $11.99, and I also picked up the Pink Grapefruit for $10.29 and the Neutrogena Cleansing Bar for $3.89. I used 3 $3 coupons, 2 from coupons.com and 1 from the CVS app. For the Gain Fling, I used the $2 off from the app. For the Tide, I also used the $2 from the app. I used $16 extra care box. I paid 5 cents plus tax, making these 5 products only $6.05, and I got back my $10 extra box. So let's go to the next deal. On my next transaction, I did the Revlon cosmetics transaction. This week is buy 2 get $5, buy 3 get $7. And if you're doing this deal, make sure you're doing it on the same transaction because it does not track. If you buy 2 and get your $5 back and go back to buy 1, it's not going to give you the extra $2. So what I did was pick up the 3 Revlon cosmetic items. I picked up the eye, the face, and the lips, because on Ibotta this week we have a $3 off when you buy eye, a $3 off when you buy face, and $3 off for the lips. And make sure you're scanning your product on Ibotta to make sure that the product you're getting is attaching to the rebates. So the face, for the face, I picked up the concealer, $10.99. For the eye, I picked up a eyeliner for $8.99. For the lips, I picked up the Kiss Balm for $5.59. I used the 5 off of 25, and after that, the 50% off applied. It took off $10.29. I ended up paying $10.28 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $7, and I also got back $9 from the Ibotta, making this a money maker of $5.68. So this is a really good deal if you have these CRTs. Okay, let's go to the next deal. On my next transaction, I did the Kellogg deal. This week is 2 for $5, and we also have a coupon on our app for 3 off of 5 Kellogg cereal. I also have a CRT for 2 off of breakfast items. So on Ibotta we have a rebate, a good rebate for this, and it's a limit of 5. You get 60 cents each, 60 cents back when you buy 5, but you can buy 2 and still get your 60 cents twice. But I maxed the deal, so I picked up 5, and I used only $8 extra care box. I didn't even pay tax for this, and I'll be getting a $3 back, making these 5 boxes $4.99. That's like 99 cents for each box, and I think that's a good deal for cereal. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.